Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Dhave Pallavi, and our today's topic name is this keyword and super keyword in Java. So firstly, we will see what is mean by this keyword or what are the use of this keyword. So this keyword is a keyword in the Java which is used to refer object of current class, variable or constructor. These keywords are also used to avoid the confusion between class attribute or parameter, that is also known as instance variable or local variable. If we when we use this keyword, we use this keyword that time when our instance variable or local variable are same, that time we use this keyword. So this keyword refers to it is a reference variable and it refers to object of current class. So I have an example. Suppose our class name is student and their instance variable like integer, roll number, string name or string address. Then we create a student class of constructor. Student constructor, in that I again initialize the integer roll number, string name or string address. So my instance variable or local variable same. So uh, so which property I can access, so that confusion avoid, we use this keyword. This keyword, suppose there is no name. Suppose example of um, that time we separate the local variable and instance variable with the help of this keyword. So we can write as like as this dot student name is equal to name, or this dot roll number is equal to roll number, or this dot address is equal to address. If we write as like as, then we avoid the confusion between the local variable or instant variable, or we close the block of our code. Then we have again a class which having same property or which having same variable like a instance variable. That time we use this keyword. Or again this keyword refers to object of a class or variable. It is also known as instance variable or local variable. Then second one is a super keyword in Java. So why Java is use super keyword? So super keyword is also a reference variable which is always referred object of parent class. Suppose we can access we want to access common property of parent class in the child class, then we use the super keyword. uh, Super keyword share those common parent class share those common property into the child class with the help of super keyword, and we can easily access the common property of parent class into the child class with the help of super keyword. Suppose I have a class name is animal, and there I can declare some instance variable, but I still suppose string color is equal to black, and or string color is equal to white. Then we can create a child class of animal, that is a dog. So firstly we will dog extend with the parent class, which is named as animal, or then create a constructor on initialize self variable, or some common variable we can access through the super keyword or super class. Suppose super in round bracket color dot white, then we can easily access the color white from the parent class to child class. Super class use super class also uses immediately access the variable of parent class. Then second use of super class is it is immediately access the method from parent class. Or third use of super keyword, it is access the constructor same as a parent class into the child class. There is the um, three most use of super keyword. We can easily access the variable, method or parameter um, of parent class into the child class with the help of super keyword. uh, so example of how we can access the variable into the child parent class into the child class. So there is one example. Suppose student is our main class, and they have some instance variable like a roll number or date of birth or address. So we can create another class is a staff class. Then we we can extend the staff class into the parent class student. Then we can easily access the parent class property into the child class with the help of super keyword. Then we can gain whatever we want. And then super keyword access the common property of parent class, and our self it is implemented our self variable. Then it is combined and then generate the output. And then it is an example of how we access the variable of parent class into the child class with the help of super keyword. And then we take example how super keyword access the method parent class into the child class. So there is a uh, one class like as a it is a man having suppose we create a class that name is man. Then man have we can write some methods for man class. So I can use it method for man class. And we can again create a child class that is called as animal. So animal also eat grass or so we can take eat method into parent class into the child class. How we can access the this method into our child class. So this method super dot eat and to round bracket open close. That is easy way to access the method from child class sorry parent class to child class. um, Using this way we can easily access the parent class method into our child class. And then how we can access the parameter into the parent class into the child class. And then and that time our then simply we can use a child class in that child class super keyword. And then then it is with the help of we can easily access the parent class property into the child class. So in that this keyword is we have we declare the different local variable or instance variable. Then that time we does not need to uh, initialize the or use to this keyword in our program, or that is I have small difference of super keyword or this keyword. Firstly this keyword, or secondly super keyword. The in that this keyword refers to object of a class, and super keyword refers to object of a parent class. This keyword is a non static variable, or also super keyword is non static variable. When this keyword, whenever we use this keyword, that time whenever our local variable or instant variable same, that time we use this keyword. Or static keyword, whenever we use the static keyword, our if you want to access the parent class property in the child class, that time we use the super keyword in Java. So that is all about super keyword or this keyword. Thank you so much.